Rogerstone o'r bedwaredd haen oedd yn wynebu Caerau Trelai Brawn Sadwrn, a'r cochion lwyddodd i rwydo gynta. Gôl i Jack Turner a'r tîm cartra'n mynd ar y blaen. Ar ôl rwydo 4 gôl arall gan gynnwys cic o'r smotyn, roedd Caerau Trelai ymhell ar y blaen. Ac i ddechrau'r ail hanner, fe rwydodd Liam Bishop y gôl hyfryd yma i wneud hi'n 5 i'r tîm cartra. Luke Thomas lwyddodd i gipio gôl gynta'r ymwelwyr, ond gyda'r sgôr bellach yn 6-1, roedd hi'n debygol o fod yn gôl gysur yn unig. Ac roedd Caerau Trelai yn amlwg yn awyddus i barhau i ymestyn y sgôr. Daniel Ingram rwydodd i ail o'r gêm ac yn amlwg yn wen o glist i glist gyda hynny. Ac i rwbio halen yn y briw, fe rwydodd Cwpan Samson funud cyn y 90 mwyn selio'r fuddugoliaeth o 8 gôl i 1. Caerau Trelai yn yr het ar gyfer y rownd nesaf felly.
Ni mewn safle rili da ar y foment. Ni wedi bod yn chwarae'n dda. Nathon ni Caerau Trelai yn dydd Mawrth o dde, perfformio da eto. A oedd e bwysig i ni heddiw jyst bod proffesiynol. Ni'n gwybod pryd chi'n chwarae tîmau sy'n lefel is. Na chi, mae potential banana skin. Felly i ni oedd e jyst bod yn proffesiynol, cael y swydd yn gywir, a wedyn, mewn i'r het am y rownd nesaf.
There's a little bit of nervousness because obviously you're playing a team from the lower levels, which you're a little bit apprehensive. You don't want to be sort of that mindset with complacency within the game. And the boys were a little bit nervous, but once they settled down and started moving the ball, and then once we got that first goal, I felt there was only one winner then, to be honest. We pinned them in for long periods of the game, dominated possession of the ball, created lots of opportunities, got plenty of bodies in the box. So I think, we definitely thoroughly deserved to win in the end. And fair play to them, they kept going right till the end. But equally, I think that little bit of quality that we possess across the field just helps us over the line, really.
It's always disappointing to lose a game, and to lose it in that manner, doubly disappointing. I thought we started the game pretty well. First 20 minutes we held out kind of thing almost, but we didn't really create a lot. Obviously coming here, away game, like you say, 2 leagues up, it's always going to be tough. I think they were quicker, sharper in the head and in the foot. I'd watched them twice, so we'd got the game plan. 2 goals in a minute though killed us. Obviously when you concede one, you've got to regroup and try and not concede another really quickly, which we unfortunately did. And 2-0 down in 20 minutes, and then it just got a little bit messy until half-time. Got me in at half-time, we came out with a bit more vigour, but again conceded at a bad time. And then got back in the game a little bit, and I thought we made a bit of a fist of it in the second half.